When it comes to tracing images, it really depends upon your image type and your image quality. In this example here of what we're going to show you, we're going to demonstrate how you can trace by single color. And these will work great for clip arts where you only have really clear defined colors. And let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and go up to File and then Place Image. And we have this toucan that we would like to trace. I'll go ahead and bring it in. So this would be something that would be very simple to trace by color because we have very solid colors. We don't see any shadowing or anything like that. So clip art that has these types of colors would be great for tracing, utilizing trace by single color. So let's go ahead and get started. With the toucan selected, now we can go up to the trace. Now the concept for this, again, we're trying to make this a piecing where we're going to lay each layer on top of each other. So for this, I would need to have a base layer, and I'm going to go ahead and choose monochrome. And the next thing I would like to have is blackout. I'm going to click Update Preview. And notice I'm going to go ahead and decrease the Show Image Source. This is going to give us a very nice base to place all of our piecings of the colors. Now the next thing that I'm going to make sure that I have checked is the prompt to continue tracing. That will make a pop-up window up here asking us if we would like to continue tracing. So I'm going to click on OK. And then there's that pop-up menu asking us, would we like to trace another layer? I'm going to click on Yes. Now I'm going to go back to the single layer, and this is where we're going to select each individual color at a time. I'm going to go ahead and start with blue. So we can select the box here and choose a color. We can see the outline trace, and we can click Update Preview. Once we find that acceptable, we are able to click OK. I am going to uncheck the shadow blackout. And then I'm going to click on OK. It's asking me if I want to continue tracing. I do. And I'm going to move on to the next color. So I'm going to click the box, choose my color, Update Preview, and click OK. So I'm going to repeat this process for every single color that is on this bird until I have every single color traced. Once I'm on my last color, I'm going to click the Update Preview. I'm going to click on OK. When it asks me would I like to continue tracing, I'm going to click on No. Now you can see that we have our bird all grouped together with the tracing. If I expand this, we have all of the colors that we just got done tracing, so we can turn those on and off to kind of see. As you can see, CreateSpace did a great job of tracing a single color and allowing us to cut this for piecing. So again, this is tracing with a single color inside of CreateSpace.